This is Julius, and if you end up watching this video, don't be surprised that this video is starting from somewhere that you might not understand, but this is continuation of a live class that it ended sometimes back, and I decided to record this video for my students to understand more about what we were learning today. Okay, all right. So in what we learned today, we ended by explaining to you the importance of having CSS externalized or internalized away from the HTML structure. Okay, remember we created a page with 4 squares, demonstrated how you can change those 4 boxes with one single property. So let me redo it again so that you can understand. I want you to get your IDE open. IDE is this environment here. You know how to start your Visual Studio Code and open it and code with me. Okay, so first let's create a page. Okay, I'm starting from scratch so that you can code with me. Okay, so let me create a page here and call it inline CSS .html. I want you to create 4 pages. Four pages. Okay, first one is that. Create another one called internal CSS.html, and then create the last one called external CSS.html. Okay, make sure you have those 3 pages set up before we can continue. You can pause the video and do it if you see that I'm going faster. Okay, this is a recording, so you can pause your video and finish it before you can continue. Okay, so let's start with inline. Okay, let's create a page. Of course, the normal way we do exclamation mark and enter, and then in the title put inline CSS. Okay, cool. So here let's create 3 divs, or let's create div. First div, create that div there, create another div inside that div, call it another div. Okay, and then create another div here. We need 4 divs, 1, 2, and then 3. Okay, so 4 divs, first outside div and then 2 internal divs. Okay, in this div, the first div, first let's make sure things are lined up together. Let's make sure the div are centered on the page, and the way you can do that is, you remember today we were talking about the layout. So we do style display flex. Okay, and then justify content center. All right, so this one will not do anything, and you can see even though we do this, it will not do much. So I can show you right now. If you do that, there's nothing in here. Okay, so it's because we don't have anything, no color, no dimension, nothing. Okay, so I want you to go to this div here again, our style. This is the normal way we normally do. So display and then flex again. All right, so and then here we have to give width of let's put the width of what? Let's put the width of let's say 800 pixels. Okay, and then put a height of no, not height. because of that. That's why it's not showing me height of 100 vh. 100 vh meaning 100 view height. It will cover the whole page. Okay, so and then the last one, we need to give background color of, let's say, put background color of that. Okay, so and then of course we need that. Okay, cool. So if we run this one, we'll see you'll see what will happen. Okay, boom, you see now that is a page and it's covering the view height. View height is covering the entire height of my screen. All right, cool. So I want you to go to this first div, again style, put a style of width of 100 pixel. Okay, height of 100 pixel. All right, let's put a background color of let's put background of red. Okay, or brown for this matter. Okay, let's put inside this div, let's put an h1 of, say, box 1. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing for all of them, so so that we don't have to you don't have to see me typing all the time. So what you need to do, copy this part here and replace this one 4 times. Okay, so 1, that's 2, 3, 4. Okay, change the background of this to be that color. All right, so change the background of this to be whatever color, maybe that. Okay, and then take this one box 2, call it box 2, box 3, and box 4. Okay, cool. So we have those, and then we have, let's change this one to be, let's say, blue. Okay, so let's see what we have. We have 3 pages, and we want to give these 3 pages some gap. Okay, want to give a gap of 10 pixels, 20 pixels. Okay, wait, right, okay, 20 px, sorry, I forgot the px. Okay, you have a gap, so let's center this, or it can stay like that for now. Okay, so you see, okay, let's change, want to make the background color of all these to be the same. Okay, so what do? We need to make the color to be the same for all of them. Okay, let's go with which color do we go? Let's go with this color. Copy that color for now, and then replace this one by copying and paste that. Replace that color. Replace this color here. I want all colors to be the same. Okay, so see the outcome. Okay, all the colors done. All right, so see, let's change the h1 of h1 to be color style to be red. We like blue. Okay, so what do you call color blue? Okay, so we want to make all of them blue. So what do you do? Okay, style, okay, blue, color blue, color, no, style, color, blue. Okay, so let's go to the last one, color, sorry, style, color, blue. All right, so you see that? So we change all the colors blue. Let's see the color. So all the H1 is blue. All right, let's see. I think these colors are, I think these things, I want it to be bigger. This is too small. I want it to be bigger. Okay, what can I do if I want it to be bigger? If I want it to be bigger, I have to change the height. Okay, let's say I want the height to be 200 and the width to be 200. Okay, what can I do? I have to go one by one and change the width of each. I have to go to the width, let's say 200. Okay, again I have to change this one 200. Maybe I change this one 200. Okay, what will happen? Oh no, see this? I missed this one. I should have done it 200. Okay, but oh no, I don't want 200. Okay, because the width is 800. So if I do 200, 200, 200, it will be more. Okay, and I remember I have a gap of 20 pixels. So okay, I want to do it back. Oh no, I don't want anymore. Let's go back. So what can I do? I go again and do 100, 100, 100. Okay, see, now it come back to. But oh, I forgot. I should make it to be 300 for the height. 300 height. Okay, 300, 300. Okay. Oh, I forgot the first one. I should make it what? 300. All right. So I go again and make 300. See how many hours or how many minutes I have to do to change that? Okay. Let's go to internal CSS. Okay. So I will copy all these again and I will paste in here. Okay, it's gonna be the same thing. I'll run that. It's gonna be the same, nothing, but you see this is called internal CSS, so you know that this is not the same. Let me change the background color of outside so that you can see the difference. Of internal, I have to change the background color of this to be what? Let's go that one. Let's keep that color. Oh, that's too bright. Let's go that. That's good. All right. So this is internal. I have to change. This one is internal. Internal CSS. Okay. Awesome. So let's practice now the internal CSS. The way you do internal CSS, you go to the body, to the add section. This is the add section, not the header. Remember, there's the difference between the header and the add. So this is the add. In here, you type style. Okay, style, and then you enter, and give yourself a room here. Okay, so now we have to use what we call classes. Classes is a way to say we need to group things together. Okay, so we give it a class. So as I showed you in class, so let's change this one and let's give the top one a class 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 of container. Container. Okay, let's keep this one, box one, a class of box one. Box one. Don't put a space. It's just no space in one. It is box one. Don't put a space. Okay. Okay. Let's go this one. Call it box. No. Class. Okay. Box two. Let's call this one box 3. No. Sorry. Class box 3, and the last one class box 4. Okay, so nothing has changed, nothing changed. This is the same thing. This is internal CSS, as you see from here. Nothing has changed. Okay, cool. So let's see the power of inline CSS. Okay, so inline CSS, you put a CSS here. Okay, so let's start with this part here, container, and classes, you start with a period, and then container. By giving a container here with a period, it's like I'm referencing to this class here. I'm referencing to this class here. See this class here? It's the same. So in fact, what you need to do is copy so that you don't make a mistake. You copy it and you paste it there. Okay, inside here I want to delete all these. I want to take all these. Okay, cut them or delete them and put it inside this. Okay, so we change, make it sorry, the same thing. We have not touched anything. You have to have a semicolon at the end. We remove that. See what will happen. Nothing changed. Okay, so to know that nothing changed and it is working, let's remove the background color completely. Let's remove the background color and see what will happen. See, the background color is gone. That means this part here is controlling this container. Okay, let's return the background color. All right, let's say we don't want the background color to be this color. We want the background color to be more blackish, more pinkish, that color. See what will happen? No, what did you do? Oh, sorry, I want more of here. Boom. See that? Oh, okay. So we know that, and then for you to read well, we put it like that. We put it like this. We put that down here so that you can read well. Okay. Let's say we don't want the gap. Just remove the gap like that. Boom. It is one. But I like the gap. Okay. I like the gap, but I don't like the gap to be big. See, so it is good size. Oh, let's say now we want to make the width the same. So we need to remove this one. Okay, we need to take everything here to the external now. Okay, cut that one, delete completely. We don't want it anymore. We are doing the internal CSS. Okay, so we're dealing with box one now. Okay, box one. Okay, so but I want you to make a small correction here. Okay, this is my mistake. This should not be box 1. This should be box. All of them are box. We don't want to we want to make them the same, because what we are doing is, you see, it's the same, height is, width is the same, everything the same. So we call this one a box, a box, a box. Okay, so we need to remove all this. Okay, we need to remove everything here. We don't want the style anymore, because we are now controlling with style. Okay, boom. See what will happen. Nothing changed, right? Why? Even though I already removed all the style on this box, but the only thing I did was box, 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 box. Okay, so but now this one is controlling the entire boxes. How many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so this is the style which is controlling everything. Okay, so this is where the magic will happen, and you will see the importance of grouping style together so that you can control in one place. Remember when I was demonstrating to you that you can have one person, Evans was drawing one, and then you guys were, 4 of you were doing individual. This is the power of it. Okay, let's say now we don't want we want to make everything the same. Want all this to cover the entire page. So what do? We come here, remove what? Remove the width. Instead of having that, we put flex 1. See that? Everything is going that way. All right, with 1 CSS it changes everything. Sorry, that should have been that. Okay, with flex 1 it changes everything together in this point. Did we touch anything individually? We didn't waste time by changing all these to flex 1, flex 1, flex 1, flex 1. Okay, what else do you have to do? Let's practice. Oh, we need to change all H1 to be, we don't want blue anymore, so we don't want style. We want to be able to control using one style. Okay, let's remove that. Let's remove all this. We need to be controlling with one style. What do? So we come here, all H1. Okay, before we do that, let's see what we have now. Boom, all H1 is black now, right? So, but we want to control them. So all H1, you type H1. Okay, color braces. So you have to put these color braces. Okay, so we are dealing with one element. This is called an element, right? This is an element. So, but we are not putting, because we didn't put a class on H1. This is H1 only without any class. So we don't put any dot here. So we say control all element to make it. So let's say change the color. Okay, let's change the color, all of them to be red. Okay, let's see, all of them are red, right? We didn't manually went one by one and change this one. We didn't say style color red. We didn't say that. We just used one and it was able to control everything, right? So okay, let's do another thing. Oh, let's change the background color of all the let's change the background color of the boxes to be this color. Let's say change to blue. Okay, boom, it changed. That's not blue but dark blue. You see now the power of inline CSS, but we are putting them at the top, and you can control anything else. You know, let's say for example you have a paragraph here of, okay, this is the description. Okay, let's put all of them underneath H1. Underneath H1. Okay, so I think I missed something. I missed the opening tag. Okay, cool. So let's see. So this is the description. So but we want to change that background color to be the same color. Okay, so what you do is paragraph, curly braces, enter, to give yourself a readability so that you can read well. Okay, so let's put a color of white. Okay, let's put a font size of 20 pixels. See, it changed everything to white. I didn't go individually and put a color of white or whatever. But advantage is, let's say for example, I don't want the color of the second box to be white. So you can come here and control that individual paragraph. Let's say the style. So this style. Give me a minute. Okay, so let's say background, no, color. We're gonna change the color of to be red or brown. Only for box 2, the paragraph of box 2, we want it to be brown, not all of them. So see that? It only changes that. Okay, so the rule is, if you have style closer to the element, it will take powers of the one which is far away. You see the distance from here to from this one to here is closer than from here to here. So it is closer, it takes precedent, it takes more powers than that one. Okay, for now that's enough. We'll practice in class more and more. Let's make it beautiful by all boxes. Let's put the boxes to our to our display of flex, and then we need to put if we do like that, it will do like this, but we don't want that. Okay, what we need is justified flex direction. We want flex direction of column. Okay, that make it this way, and then we need to make it justify content center, align out justify content center, align item center. Let's put this one justify content start. Okay, go there and align item to the center. Okay, cool. So let's start for now. Let's put a border color, border radius of 25 pixels. See, it does for all of them. Okay, let's put again padding. Put a padding of not padding. We put a margin of 20 pixels. It will apply margin for all of them. See, it will do that. But the margin, we need only the margin of top. So see the margin of depth. Okay, let's remove the gap and add what? You see how easy it is to control. All this is controlling the whole boxes. Okay, let's remove the gap of 10 pixels for that, so that it can have that, and then um, put the margin here of margin of 10 pixels. I think that's good enough. Okay, cool. So let's leave it that way for now. That is called internal CSS. But let's do the external CSS. Okay, the external CSS, let's copy everything here again. So let's copy this, Control V, and then do this other one. Again, you can post the video. If I am too fast to post the video, and copy and paste and follow me. Okay, so I don't expect you to type everything as I type, so you can post the video. Okay, cool. So let's change the title here to be external CSS. Okay, so let's run this one so that we can focus. You see external CSS here, and we're good to go. Let's change the background color here so that we can know we are in different area. Alright, we have that. Okay, so external CSS, there's no difference between internal CSS and external CSS. The only difference is you take all these external, you take away from here, okay, by creating a file called styles.css. okay, that's called external because it is external away from the page. Okay, let's take all these. Don't copy the style, copy from line 9 or whichever line it is on your side. Let's cut everything here, cut it, Control X or cut it, remove everything and go here and paste. Okay, paste, you use this one or Control V. Okay, so but let's see what will happen now. We already got everything from that, so let's see what will happen. Boom, see, it's gone. Okay, it's gone. Where? Why? Because we don't have anything here, and inside here they don't have anything. The way to bring it back, the CSS, you come to the head again, this is head, and you do what you call link. Okay, you see this guy here, you say link, you copy that, so it is link. Relative is style sheet, href, is style, so we put s. This is referring to this, you see this file here, it is this styles. Okay, so see the magic. Now I'm linking this page here with this style here. I'm linking this, everything here. I'm now linking with this. Okay, it's like getting a connection of one thing to the other. Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, see, external, now everything is back. To prove that everything is back, let's go here and change the background to be what? To be red. Boom. Okay, still let's change back the color to be that. See, now we are able to change that and still have the same powers as internal CSS. You can still change the color of H1 to be blue. All H1 now is blue except the one all H1 is blue. Okay, let's change the color of all the B's to be red. All B's are red, all paragraph are red now. Okay, awesome. Do you understand now? Internal inline is what you write on the element itself here in inline. Internal you write at the edge section, and you have to start with the style and close with style and put everything here. Remember, when you say class here, when you say class, you have to put dot or period and the name of the class, period and the name of the class. Awesome. Let's see advantages and disadvantages. Okay, so advantages of inline is easy to control this part here. Okay, it is close to this. We can change this one now is red. Okay, and it is close and we're able to change that. Okay, that's advantage. You can control each one individually. Disadvantage is it is more work. It's a lot of work. If I want to change all of them to yellow, I have to change this, I have to change this, I have to change this. All those time is wasted. Okay, and if I want to make all of them yellow, okay, if I want to make this one 300 and 500, it will take time for me to change one by one. That is the disadvantage. Let's go to the internal CSS. Advantage is, see, you write here, you write all this, which controls here. You see, it is very clean, not too much stuff. Unlike here, I see that, you see the line, it is too many, crowded, you cannot even read. But this one is clean. Now we can make it even like that, make it super clean by opening spaces here, make it clean because it's small, and everything you write at the top here. Once you finish this one, you don't have to worry about this. What you need to do is writing the style, or you write a style for this part here. Okay, that's the advantage. But what if I want another page? What will I do? I have to do the same thing, even though I have to have a container. Okay, say for example I have let's copy this one, let's copy this and create another page. Let me create another page called page 2, page2.html. Okay, let's say this one is not there. I just create a page. Okay, so look at what page 2 will have. Boom, they don't have anything. Okay, so I have again, we have container here. I have to come at the top here. I have to do style. Okay, I have to do task container. Okay, I have to do everything again. I have to do everything I did here. Okay, I have to do all this again in here. I have to do it here. I have to do it again here. So right now, if you see, everything is good. Okay, and I have to change maybe that part. So you see, I've done the same thing. You see, the same information here is the same here. Okay, it's not, you're not able to share this information from this page here. Okay, that is disadvantage. All right, so let's go to the external one. This one is the same as inline, but it's already externalized. It's already external. It's away. This one is, this is the page. So what we do, if I want, if I have another page, I will do that. I will do this. What I will do, I will go to external. You see this part here? This is a link. I copy the link. Now I go to page 2, delete all this, and boom, I have external. See? So the same thing. Let's say change this one to page 2. CSS. See, page 2. So now if I want to control every page, I want every page to have what color? I want the container to be the same, and I want the box 1 to be big. Okay, you come here. Let's say I want box 1 width height to be 150. I want a small height. Okay, I want a very small height. See what will happen? See, it's small now, right? What about the external? The same thing. See, this external, everything is the same. Page 2, everything the same. If I want to change all the boxes for page 1, page 2, you see, you cannot even tell the difference between external and this. Okay, for you to see the difference, let's go. Let me go to external. Instead of say page 2, I say page 1, or box 1 of external. EX. This is to show you that this is external. See, page 1 still say page 1, page 2, page 2, but for external it's still the same, but the style is the same, right? So you are able to share. We are sharing this using a link. We don't have to write again, but we are sharing. But again, it doesn't prevent me to say, okay, let's do another style of container. Let's say I want container of this one to be, I want box, box, you have to put dot again. I can say box to have background color of yellow. Okay, see, for external, now the boxes are different. For this one, the boxes are different, but everything is the same. Only the boxes now is different, because I was able to say here, I was able to change only the background color of the box to be punch whatever color, but external still containing the color of yellow. Okay, so my students, I think that's enough for now. We will continue next time. I want you to create this page I want you to practice more on this because this is the future of our development. Okay, thank you so much. God bless.